Creating and selling an ebook is one of the most popular ways to make money online. If you're interested in this side hustle, you can create and sell your first ebook using Canva and ChatGPT in just 30 minutes. Here's how. So obviously the step one is writing your ebook's text. Here's a helpful tip. I recommend choosing a topic where you already have some knowledge, skills, or passion. But of course, these days with ChatGPT, technically you could write an ebook on any topic. With that in mind, I'm going to be writing a book about solo travel to help people travel more on their own. And ChatGPT gave me 10 engaging ebook ideas on this topic. Now, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to also give me some helpful tips for how to write this ebook, because frankly, this is my very first ebook that I'm looking to package, create it as a digital product, and sell. And that's exactly what I'm going to be showing in this video. Not only how to actually create it, but also how to list it as a digital product for sale. So I actually like the second title, and I'm asking ChatGPT to basically write the full ebook with chapters based on that idea. Now, here's the thing. This is obviously a draft and you want to be expanding on this. And here's the thing. You can expand by using AI, or you can expand with your own creativity, your own input, your own writing skills. But for this example, because I don't want to spend hours and hours and hours, I want to show you how to quickly write this, how to essentially do this fully with AI. By the way, if you're a business owner, do you want more people visiting your website or checking out your business online? PPC Mate is a powerful advertising platform that helps you get online traffic from all over the world. With PPC Mate, you can run ads on websites, apps, and even through notifications, giving you plenty of ways to reach new customers. It's easy to set up, works for any budget, and even comes with free ad credits so you can test it out. Plus, there's a 7-day money-back guarantee so you can try it without risk. Whether you're looking to grow your online store, boost app downloads, or just get more eyes on your brand's website, PPC Mate has you covered. Thousands of users love it for being simple, affordable, and effective. If you're ready to give it a try, click the link below and check out PPC Mate today. But before buying any online traffic from PPC Mate, please do your own research to ensure that this type of traffic is appropriate for your business. Thanks PPC Mate for sponsoring this part of the video. Now let's get back to the main part. But here's the thing, if you actually want to get sales, want to do some upselling, maybe sell some different digital products and mentorships, maybe some merch. A lot of people basically create a very low cost digital ebook that they sell for $5, $10, $20, right? And then because the content is so good, people actually read it and then they join your Facebook group, they join your school, they basically buy some other digital products, they buy mentorships and stuff like that. So you don't want to create a generic AI, not interesting book. What you essentially want to do is you want to use AI to your advantage, but then of course, basically make the book really good. Now, the next step is, of course, we're going to be designing the ebook. We're going to be using Canva. Canva has a lot of ebook templates. That's why it's really useful. So first of all, open up Canva and create a new design. And then what you essentially want to do is type in width 8.5, height 11 units inches, and then create an ebook. This video is sponsored by PRBoost.io, the go-to PR platform for brands that want instant authority. Well, it basically gets you published on major media outlets like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, and over 200 other sites with no PR agency required. But the best part is they also write the press release for you as well, and that's already included in the price. If you run a website, you need a PR package. Adding as seen on media badges instantly builds trust and significantly boosts conversions. PR Boost is rated 4.9 stars on reviews.io with hundreds of satisfied clients. I'm gonna drop the link in my description, so go check them out, get featured, get trusted, get results. What is actually absolutely amazing about Canva is that Canva has a wide variety of ebook templates. Some of them are free, some of them are on a pro version, but it doesn't matter, because what you can essentially do is you can basically get one of these ebooks as a template, and what essentially happens is you already have the basic backbone for your ebook. Okay, design is already there. All you really have to do is basically just replace the titles, the text and stuff like that, the images, and with that in mind, we're literally about 50% in creating an ebook. What I'm actually going to do now is I'm going to customize all of the stuffs, right? And I'm going to obviously also replace the images to match the exact title and the exact content that we have. Enlarge the placeholder and match the image. So I'm going to be searching for something in regards to travel. Something like that works really well. Now let's customize the second page, the contents section. This is really important, and obviously we need to look at our chapters, okay, and then basically adjust the text and adjust the page numbers as well. With that in mind, I'm almost done with this, and we're going to be repeating the same process for the rest of it. And once finished, rename the file, then choose PDF standard, select all pages, and click download. So we're now about 70% into creating this ebook. Now we need to create a cover image for our sales page. This is really important because essentially we're gonna need a cover image for a sales page, whether you sell on your own website, on Amazon, on Etsy, on Payhip, or any other digital marketplace. So easiest way is just download the first page in PNG. We're gonna have the cover image, okay? Then create a new design, select Instagram post square, and then search for ebooks. So what essentially we're trying to do here, we're trying to get just a square image, okay? And by searching ebook, we can have a sales page template ready. All we need to really do, I like this one. All we need to really do is we need to just customize it to the travel niche, because obviously my ebook is in travel niche. So I'm just replacing those images. Also, as you can see, there is like a free guide. So with an ebook, you would give them some free guide. So you might want to keep that, or you might want to remove that. And finally, step 4, selling your ebook. That's the most important, not the creation, but the selling of it, so we can make money. And I'm gonna show you how you can use this platform called Payhip to basically host ebooks and sell them. This is really good platform. A lot of people are using it for selling ebooks. Just create an account, and after that, you're gonna have a dashboard where you can add a new product. By the way, you can sell this ebook anywhere you want. For example, on Amazon, on Etsy, and so many other places as well. What you essentially want to do is you want to add your ebook as a digital product. So I'm uploading the PDF straight from Canva, adding the title, adding the price. It can be whatever you want. This is where we put the cover image, exactly what we were creating with Canva. This is the description, so copy and paste it as well from what we got from ChatGPT. And then with that in mind, there is a few different options, but obviously if you want to just sell it and actually make money, and if you want to sell it to the general public, just click visible, okay? And here's a few options. Under advanced options, if you don't want any of this, just leave all of them unchecked and click add product. That's amazing. You've got your ebook in literally just 30 minutes. That's awesome. That's amazing. And now you're ready to start sharing it to social media, your email list, or even just sell it on other marketplaces. Now, this is your product page list. That looks absolutely amazing. You might want to play around and actually improve some of the details. By the way, here's an extra step in case you want to protect your PDF. Go to Account, Settings, click Advanced Settings. Here, there is this thing called Protect Your PDF. So check it and click Save. If you like this video, check out my channel for more money-making ideas.